Roll-O-Matic. What tractors have Roll-O-Matic?
How does Roll-O-Matic work? Welcome to Two Cylinder Vintage, and thank you for tuning in. Those are great questions about Roll-O-Matic, and we're going to find out today what Roll-O-Matic is, what tractors it's on, and how it works very soon. But before we do, we've got a special giveaway at the end of this video of this John Deere Tractor-Opoly game. It's a really great game. We've been playing it a lot while we're in isolation, doing homeschool. It's a great game for the kids to learn a bit of maths, adding up numbers and the money, and also learning about John Deere tractors. So this is a brochure on the Model A, B and G series tractors. And it's probably around the late 1940s, early 1950s. So the Roll-O-Matic, knee action front wheels, an exclusive John Deere feature that provides easy, smoother operation. There's a new driving ease, new riding comfort, new smoothness and safety of operation awaiting you behind the wheel of a John Deere A, B or G tractor. Equipped with this great John Deere Roll-O-Matic knee action front wheels. You will notice the difference the very first time you drive one. In the easier, smoother, sure-footed way the tractor steers over rough ground on side of hills in furrows. And it goes on to say, there's no fighting the wheel, no creeping, no weaving from side to side. Steering is much easier because the load is always equalised between the two front wheels. Riding is greatly improved because the up and down movement of the front end cuts exactly in half the tractor travels over rough ground. Yeah, without Roll-O-Matic, when you travel through bumps and over irregular ground, the wheels would turn and you'd be fighting the steering wheel left and right as you went over bumps. The 620 series. The Roll-O-Matic was on the started on the letter series, the number series, onto the 20 series and also the 30 series. And Roll-O-Matic was also on the new generation tractors, still obviously in a tricycle configuration. Now from each wheel, the Roll-O-Matic is connected to the lower part of the steering pedestal. The two arms from each wheel link into the pedestal and are connected to each other by geared teeth. This allows, when one wheel goes up, the other wheel will go in the opposite direction via the gears. Thanks for watching this video. Now, like we said, we're giving away 3 of these John Deere Tractor-Opoly game sets. So there's 2 things you need to do. Please hit the subscribe button and make sure you select the little bell and select all so that you receive all notifications when we have videos. And while you're here, don't forget to check out all our other videos and please leave any comments and like any videos you like. The second thing to do is to go to twocylindervintage.com, click on the giveaways tab, enter in your details, and don't forget the terms and conditions are found both on the website and also in the description of this video. Well, just thanks to all the viewers, and we just God bless you, and stay safe while you're at home in isolation, and we'll see you next time.